All right, one of the most exciting things about the TouchPRO phone apps is how easy we make it for you to operate your app, to actually add content, add functionality, change functionality. So we're going to take a couple of minutes and just walk you through how easy that is. So let's just remind everybody of how the app is. You have imagery, you have branding, and you have these tabs. These are tabs, and behind these tabs are different types of functionality that you can have. And all of this is customizable and very, very easy for you to interact with. So we're going to show you just how easy that is. So as a TouchPRO app owner, you can log in to your back office. And once you log into your back office, everything is really going to be pretty much point and click. And a lot of companies talk about how easy point and click is. We're going to actually show you how easy that is. So let's start off by adding some functionality. So it's pretty clean to see. That's the functionality tab, and once you click on that tab, it lists out all the functionality you might have in your app already. But we're going to show you how easy it is to add new functionality. So we've already spent the time to develop and create a huge list of functionality. Some of the most exciting and useful things that a small businesses want. Well, everything from GPS, location, directions, event tabs, fan walls, image galleries, loyalty tabs, buy now buttons, mortgage calculators, the ability to have people to download PDF documents, QR coupons, RSS feeds, shopping cart tabs, tip calculators. The list just goes on and on and on. But all you really need to do here is select the functionality you want to have that tab to have, and then give it a name. So let's just go ahead and do that. For example, let's just say we wanted to add a YouTube channel. We just select that as the functionality, and then we'd give that tab a name. So let's just say I'm going to call this new tab My Video Channel. Go ahead and not make that active because I actually do have my app out in the marketplace. All I then do is just hit save. Now once I save that, it's that simple. It's done. We just added YouTube channel functionality right to the app. See it listed right there? My Video Channel. And we can always go back into any tab we create and modify or edit the content. So let's go back in there. My Video Channel. Let's add an icon. So we have an assortment of icons that you can choose from. Find one that's appropriate. Hey, this looks like it has something to do with video. Let's go ahead and use this one. So I just hit that. I select that icon and I hit save. And when I look back at my functionality list, there it is. There goes My Video Channel, and that's the icon that will appear on the tab on my app. And if this was live active, it would be instantly available on my app out in the marketplace. So we promised you this was going to be easy. So everything about changing the app is that easy. To add content, we just click on the Content tab. There you have all of the different tabs you have. You select on the tab that you want to add content to or change content in. Once you select that, it's simply just adding in your content. We make it very, very easy for you to do. You see the content that you have already laid out. Again, if you wanted to add new content, you just click the Add New Item button, and you can go ahead and add in more content for this particular section of your phone app. It's very, very powerful. Some of the tab functionalities are preloaded for you, so you just have to, it makes it really simple. Like for that YouTube channel, the only thing you actually have to put in is the actual name of your YouTube channel and hit save. It's just that easy. So for a lot of the social networks, you just put in the social network link, and same with Facebook and Twitter, and even more that are coming. It's simply cut and paste and hit save, and you've just added that functionality to your phone app. Now, if you're adding a type of content that that you've created, or let's just say like a written document, it's an editor. It's just an HTML editor. It looks like you're working in a word processing document. So it's going to be something that you're very familiar with. Everything is editable. You have all the basic functionality that you would expect to see in an HTML editor. So if you can use Word or anything like that, you can definitely handle changing and adding content to the content section of your app. So again, and once you hit save, this stuff is instantly available out on your live mobile phone app. And as far as changing the appearance or creating the appearance of your app, We've broken it down into the home page image, the background images, and the download images. Basically, you upload the image right from your computer that you're going to use in your app, and you hit save. It's pretty much that simple. You can also kind of change the format or the look and feel of that image. We have a lot of different built-in variations to give your image a very unique look, or something that you think better displays the image you would like to display. And we do that for the general app photos. For the background images, it's the same way. You just simply upload your graphics, and then you can change these at will. You can modify them, add new graphics, whatever you want. It's as simple as an upload and a save. And you can even change the app layout. So again, when we say we've made our apps very user-friendly and very easy to use, we were not kidding. We were basically point-and-click functionality. So here are all the active tabs I have in my app. You can see the inactive one that I created for this demo sitting up there, letting me know that, hey, this isn't active yet. And there's even a preview button that takes us right back to where we started, where you can actually preview what you've just created to make sure that this is exactly how you want it to look, and that everything is working right, and everything is looking right, and everything is good to go. Now, when you get an app from us, it's already been published to the associated store. So it's already been published to Apple. It's already been published to Android. We work with them to make sure that those things help you get your app accepted in those stores. So whenever you make a change, it actually is reflected instantly out there in the hands of the people that actually have your app in hand. So that you're done. That's basically all there is to changing content, adding content, changing functionality, adding functionality to your customized phone app. And we said we made this easy to use. Now you know exactly what we mean by easy.